Experience unprecedented seaside luxury living with Nautica Rise by Crockstone, a premier waterfront development located at Blue Water, Lekki Peninsula, Lagos. Nautica Rise features contemporary one-bedroom lofts and flats, 2 and 3 bedroom flats with BQ, 4 and 5 bedroom luxury penthouses with 2 BQs. Indulge in premium amenities like an observatory deck, 5-star concierge service, a rooftop lifestyle and edge pool, a private resident cinema, adult and kids pool, business cafe, state-of-the-art gym and wellness club, and more. With 30% initial deposit, you too can secure a piece of paradise at Nautica Rise. For details, call. Experience unprecedented seaside luxury living with Nautica Rise by Crockstone, a premier waterfront development located at w.nauticarise.com.